Hello everyone, Twistncoils here. I'm here with a back to school hairstyle. So I'm going to take you through start to finish. I've already shampooed her hair, and here I'm just applying some leave-in conditioner and as well as a little bit of serums because I'm going to blow dry her hair. So we're going to add that, and I've already detangled her hair, but I'm going to lightly detangle again before I begin the blow drying process. So you guys know I love Revere and I still use Revere, and that's what we're using here today. You can see how it gives it a nice stretch. I'm sorry I didn't get this video out for my down south folks, but I guess this is for everyone up north if you're looking for a back to school style, or even down south if you trying to do a different style in a couple weeks. You know, here's a option as well. So here we're just blow drying her hair. Okay, so we're going to get it all stretched out, then we're going to proceed into the style. Go ahead, drop down in the comments, let me know where you guys are shouting out from. I appreciate you guys for all your support. Are your kids going back to school, or are they doing virtual? Let me know down below. And here we're just doing a light trim, and of course she has to do this finishing touch. She loves doing that after every blowout. So here I'm just parting her hair. I did ear to ear, and then I'm kind of doing like almost a T. So ear to ear and straight back. So that's what we're starting with. And it's always good to go ahead and have a guide. So I like kind of like, even though I may not keep that initial design, but once you divide the hair and you're not working with so much hair at once, it makes it easier. So I always sometimes divide down the middle or ear to ear, and that can be my guide when going into a style. So here I'm making that side part, and I'm going to do something different today. You guys often ask, how do I braid? And I braid just like stitch braids, but this time I'm going to use a comb on one side, and on the other side I'm going to use my regular technique of how I braid. So stay tuned for that. Okay, the hair we'll be using is the Ultra hair, and it is the springy Afro twist, and it's a 24-inch. I really love this hair. That picture I showed was a style we previously did. Really enjoying using this hair. You can use it for butterfly locks, spring twists, soft locks. The options are endless with this hair, so definitely check it out. We did cut the hair in half, depending upon how long you want it. 24 inches is long for her, so we definitely cut the hair in half. Here I'm showing you both sides, and if you want to see a more close-up version of the other side, definitely check out my Instagram, because this one will be on my IGTV or Reel, whichever one. But if you're not following me over there, definitely check it out, or even on my TikTok. I'm definitely going to put it on there as well. So on the left side there is the one that I use to comb. On the right side, I'm actually using my hand. This is how I naturally braid. So on the end, you'll be able to see the difference between each side, and I'll let you guys just enjoy. I'm gonna pop it in here and there, but I'm gonna do the same thing on each side. So I'm just showing one version with the comb and one version with just my hand. So keep on watching. Okay, so as we reach the end of the braid, then we're going to add that synthetic hair in. You can totally add this throughout. I'm not the best at adding the hair within the braid, so we just added it at the ends only. So that's what you see me doing here, and we're going to use that foam on her hair to give it a nice finish with that twist. So I'm just going to continue twisting down. So as I'm twisting, we're going to actually add a clip, and that just keeps the twist from rotating and moving around so much. So just kind of give it a little bit of a firm hold. We added the clamp there, and that's the only purpose of that. And then we're going to add a little bit more hair to extend the twist even further. So I realized that I could have probably cut the hair not quite in half, but I wanted it a little bit longer. So we added another piece, and I'm just working it in and just one tip when you're adding the hair in, you make sure you're roping it in really well so it'll lock the hair in place. So so here I just want to show you guys how I'm adding the hair. We're adding just a small piece of hair each time. You can definitely add more hair. We're going for a more natural look. Basically just trying to extend the length of her hair, not so much the volume. So here I'm placing that hair up under my index finger and I'm going to begin to plait. And I'm going to do it again, grabbing it with a tight hold and just placing it up under my index finger, and I'm going to begin to plait. So it's just like it's becoming the third leg, if that makes sense. So I'm going to do it again, placing it up under my pointer finger, and I'm going to begin to plait. And then I'm going to split it into two pieces and twist. So I'm just showing you guys how natural this hair is. It blends really well with the natural hair. You know how some hair you can see the obvious difference when you add the hair in, not this hair. It blends really well. So definitely check out that hair. I'll leave the link in the description box. And I'll let you guys finish this video out. And drop down in comments what's going to be your daughter or son's back to school hairstyle. If you want me to see it, definitely tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I would love to see. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up the style. I'm just showing you guys the other side. Again, I did the same steps on each side, except on one side I used a comb and the other side I used my hand. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have an awesome school year. And I'll see you on the next video.